I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to access restricted features on TikTok, follow these steps to get things rolling. Step 1. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed. Go to your app store, search for TikTok, and tap update if it's available. Step 2. Check your age settings. Verify that your age settings are correct. Go to your profile, tap on settings, then privacy, and ensure your age is set to the correct number. Step 3. Switch to a pro account. If you haven't already, switch to a pro account. This can unlock additional features. Go to Manage Account and Settings and select Switch to Pro Account. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the app's cache can resolve glitches. Go to Settings, then Cache and Cellular Data, and tap Clear Cache. Just be aware that clearing the cache may log you out of the app temporarily, so have your login details handy. Step 5. Contact support. If the features are still locked, reach out to TikTok support. Go to Settings, then report a problem and explain your issue. Hopefully, these steps help you unlock those features. Enjoy creating your content on TikTok.